Today we get to check out a great looking second gen Camaro. This is a 1970 Camaro. Painted in beautiful hugger orange, white stripes, 4-speed manual. Car really sits well, looks well, and sounds great.
What do you think of her, D?
Cool car.
I'll tell you what, it's sharp. I like the choice of wheels. We got 18-inch Coy in the front, 20-inch Coys in the back. Just a nice rake. I love the short spoilers on these things.
Yeah, good call. I do too.
And I always struggle to find out where the hood release is. Every car is different.
Yep.
Look at the engine bay. Very, very nice paint up here on the bottom of the hood. It's got the CVF, nice aftermarket hood hinges.
Yeah, they
got
skip on them hinges, dude. Those look nice.
It's built nice. It runs awesome too.
Good run, little small block.
We got disc brakes on the front, drum on the rear. One other thing is we get to the interior on this thing too. I love that it has the original 1970 bucket seat interior. Yeah. So many times they don't have the original 70s in there.
Short headrests.
Yep. There's a little headrest.
They added the split bumper, or did the split bumper conversion. That looks nice. Hood lines up nice across the front. Front nose, overall, really looks pretty good.
It's super sharp. It's very straight. Got a great shine on it.
Small little, tiny little scratch right there.
It's an older paint job, but it still shows very, very well. So you got a few little flaws, a few little chips here and there, but this car's been driven.
Yeah, top of the dash, painted body color looks nice. Hood lines up nice with the quarter front fender and door. Sorry, quarters.
Very fine. We got a little bit of
dust. Chad and I just got back to town, so we're catching up on video. So this one was sat in the showroom for a few days. Good looking interior.
Dalton, we have just a little scratch right here. Just a little scuff right there.
Got a little one right here too. Although that might be buffing compound. Or just a little scuff.
Yeah, it's a little scuff, I think.
Oh, the door fits nice.
I'll get the door.
Over the roof looks good. Very typical. All these second gens seem to have a little
both sides have that. It's just a
crack there in the lead line, that stress line.
Corner of the door is absolutely rust free. Make sure you go to our website. Check out the 25 undercarriage photos, coyoteclassics.com. Check that out as well. Door jamb paint's nice. Like I said, I like that they did the cloth inserts. I usually don't, but on a non-AC car, that just keeps you way cooler.
Yeah. Yep.
And they look great. They're all matching nice. The door panels are excellent. Headliner's super tight and nice as well.
Yeah, people are going to say these are like the correct seats with a headrest, but they did do a different seat cover.
They did a new seat cover.
Yes.
But obviously they're for a 1970 Camaro.
Correct.
So
yep.
They're just a replacement seat cover.
Figured we'd defend ourselves there before people comment.
Oh, yeah.
4-speed manual, retro sound radio. Looks like you can plug your phone in and play from your phone. Original back seat with the houndstooth. And you can tell that's original. When you just look at the top of the back seat from this back package tray, you can just see that little bit of age on there. But it looks great from inside the car. Headliner looks good. It's cocky, dude. And that paint has a really nice shine and finish.
It does. It's super nice. They did a nice job on the jams here too. Jams are all done very nicely. Trunk floor is super solid. They got a fire extinguisher in here. As you look down here, back tray, all that is awesome. It's got a new trunk mat. It's got the battery relocated in the trunk. That just cleaned the engine compartment. Previous owner did that. I'm guessing some people like that look of having just a nice clean engine bay. Personally, I like them under the hood, but dual exhaust comes out really nicely as well.
That bumper looks good, but if you look real close here, you can tell it's probably the original. Just has some little wear pitting in that.
We'd classify this car as just a really nice, beautiful, local car show quality driver. I mean, you can take it to any car show you want, be proud of it, but also just have a lot of fun in it. When you get these trailer queens, and there's nothing wrong with having those too, right? But when you do that, then you're going to get a couple of these little tiny chips, and that's what happened over the years with this one.
Nice straight body.
Yeah, it's a good color.
Light scratches here. I think those would buff out. Yeah, just like the other side has, very typical of these second gens. But roof's nice and straight. There's your corner of the door and rocker. Fits well.
Door handle's nice. Corner of the door is rust free, really nice. No body filler, nothing like that in there. Rubbers are nice. They look brand new. Door panels are excellent from front to back. Really, really nice. Roof rail rubber is new as well.
Dash is good. So many of these are always kind of curled up. This one looks nice.
And so is the gauges. Aren't they pretty decent too yet?
Yeah, they are. They are.
I like the choice of the Grant GT wheel. Looks really good in there with that Hurst shifter and that retro sound radio.
Front fender looks good. Got front disc brakes. Tiny little paint chip here.
Now, if you open up these little vents down there, kind of gets a little more airflow through.
Air, huh?
They open? Okay. With this, the heater fan works. I'm just going to start there. Works on all the speeds too. That's nice. Your wipers with new, brand new blades on them as well. And like you said earlier, from the outside, looks beautiful here. The nice orange and the dash is great. I don't know what this toggle does, Dalton. I think it's electric fan, but we'll just turn it on just in case. No, because it's got a regular fan, don't it?
No, it's got electric fans.
Oh, does it? Okay, good.
All right, let's get this baby rolling down the road.
I'm just trying to get a station, bro.
I'll work on that. I think when they get into this seek mode here.
That was quick thinking there. You're getting better at these damn things.
Son of a bitch, things. They get into seek mode, but you get the gist. The radio works. You can also plug your phone in here. And
yeah, that'd be better. Temp gauge works. Oil pressure is great. 40 to 60 pounds. Gas gauge works. Factory gauge, we're between 3/4 and full. Other than that, we had just the factory lights. That's why they put the aftermarket gauges in. Really quality car. Dome light does not work, but it's got a new lens and stuff on it. Very responsive. It's got a brand new throttle cable on it. This is the one that we had a little problem with that throttle cable sticking on us a little bit, so we put a new cable on it. So many times they just get old. Wore out.
Yeah, it happens.
This has got some big ass tires on the back too, but we'll see if we can get them rocking and rolling a little bit. Oh yeah.
I like the exhaust they got on it. It sounds nice.
It sounds really good, Dalton. Speedometer works good. Brakes work perfect. You don't need power brakes on this. There's absolutely no reason for it. Those brake pedal is way up top. I hate these things. They get stuck to my sandal and it's hard to drive that way. The throttle is right there. It's got good response to it.
It'd be a nice night to go golfing. If I could
I'm going golfing.
I should try to talk Lila into it.
Oh, sucks to be you. Yeah, this thing sounds pretty damn badass.
Yeah, it does.
Another good car, D.
Goes down the road nice, huh?
Alignment's nice. Speedometer's off. It works, but it's, you know,
Probably 10 slow.
It's, yeah, at least, yeah. I like it.
I do too.
It's a damn good car. You can feel that cool air coming in too. You know, these non-air cars, that does make it nice. Like I said, disc brakes and the brake stop great. Synchros are good. There's second. There's your first synchro. Steering's nice and tight.
Awesome Camaro. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive right after this one last get on her.
Last little get on her.
There you go. All right. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.